Imagine standing safely in your room. Nothing is chasing you. Nothing is attacking you. Nothing is actually wrong. Yet your heart begins to race. Your palms become sweaty. Your breathing becomes shallow. Your mind starts imagining everything that could go wrong. A failed interview, an embarrassing mistake, a serious illness, losing someone you love. None of these things are happening, but your body reacts as if they already are. Why? Because your brain wasn't designed to make you happy. It was designed to keep you alive. For hundreds of thousands of years, our ancestors lived in a world filled with real danger. Predators hid behind bushes. Food was scarce. One wrong decision could mean death. The humans who survived weren't always the strongest. They were the ones who noticed danger first. Their brains became experts at asking one simple question: what if something goes wrong? That ability saved lives. But the world changed much faster than our brains did. Today, most of us don't run from lions. We run from deadlines, emails, exams, social rejection, public speaking, financial pressure. Your brain often treats these modern challenges as if they were life-threatening. Deep inside your brain sits a small almond-shaped structure called the amygdala. Think of it as your internal alarm system. Its job isn't to figure out whether a threat is real. Its job is to react quickly enough to keep you alive. If something looks dangerous, the alarm goes off. Your heart beats faster. Stress hormones flood your body. Your muscles tighten. Your breathing speeds up. All before the logical part of your brain has fully processed what's happening. This is incredibly useful when a real threat exists. But sometimes, the alarm rings when there is no fire. A single negative thought can trigger the same system. What if I fail? What if everyone laughs? What if I lose everything? The more vividly you imagine these possibilities, the more real they begin to feel. Your body cannot distinguish between an actual experience and a vividly imagined one as perfectly as we'd like. That's why watching a scary movie can make your heart race. It's why remembering an embarrassing moment from years ago can still make your face feel warm. It's why worrying about tomorrow can ruin today. Your imagination is one of the greatest gifts evolution gave you. It allows you to plan, create, invent, dream. But the same imagination can also become your greatest source of fear. Every time you replay a worst-case scenario, your brain practices fear. Just as athletes train their muscles, your thoughts train your brain. Neural pathways become stronger through repetition. The more often you think a thought, the easier it becomes to think it again. Fear becomes a habit. But here's something incredible. The opposite is also true. If your brain can learn fear, it can learn courage. Visualization isn't just for athletes. Olympic champions have used mental rehearsal for decades. They repeatedly imagine themselves performing successfully. Their brains strengthen many of the same neural circuits activated during real performance. The goal isn't to pretend problems don't exist. The goal is to stop treating every possibility like a certainty. Instead of asking, what if everything goes wrong? Try asking, what if everything goes right? Or even better, what evidence do I actually have? This simple question activates the more rational parts of your brain. It slows the emotional alarm. It creates space between fear and reality. Ancient Stoic philosophers understood this long before neuroscience existed. They believed we suffer more in imagination than in reality. Modern psychology has reached a remarkably similar conclusion. Many of our greatest fears are predictions, not facts. Your thoughts are powerful, but they are not always true. The next time fear appears, pause. Take one slow breath. Ask yourself, is this danger happening right now? Or is my brain simply trying to protect me? Because sometimes, the scariest place you'll ever visit is your own imagination. And the moment you understand that, you begin to take your mind back.